Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. I'm here to help you to improve your English language. If you feel that your English is not good, don't worry because I'm here. I'm here just to help you to improve your English language and develop your English as easier and faster as possible. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel. If you want to be the first person to watch the video, please turn on the bell notification as well. So, in previous videos, I explained different parts of grammar, specifically about tenses, simple present tense, present continuous tense, and also about simple past tense, simple future tense, and 12 tenses very shortly and concisely. And there are many other tenses that I didn't explain yet. I'll release new videos in the future and I will explain fully and completely in the future. But in today's video, you know what's that? That's very pretty and good. I want to explain about was and where, because many commented and asked and they send messages that we don't know, it's not clear for us was and where, and that's why I decided to explain was or where, what's the difference between two of them. So let's get started today's new lesson. So as you know better, there are two kinds of verb. We have main verb, we have auxiliary verb. So today's video is about one of the auxiliary verb, not all of them. So we have main verb, we have auxiliary verb. Main verb like go, like for example want, like eat, like for example walking, like this, like raining. They are main verb. And helping verb, it has many parts. I just mentioned three of them. We have to be verb, like this. We have to have verb, we have to do verb. I'll release next videos about this to have verb and also to do verbs. Today, in this video, I just explain about to be verb, about was and were. To be verb or more than this, it is am, is, are, as I explained in, I think, present continuous tense. So in here, I just want to explain about was and were. Don't forget that we use was and were for past tenses. For past tenses. If we want to say something in past, we use was or were. So let's explain in here. Someone may ask that when we can use was and when we can use were. It's very simple and also very easy. Let's see in here. There is a rule for single subjects or pronoun subjects, we just use was, and for plural one, we use what? Were. For with I, he, she, it, we use was, but with we, you, they, we use what? Were. Here is the examples for that. The examples in here for was, I was in Iran last. For last, you can say last year, last day, last, for example, week, last century, whatever you're relaxed with. Or you can say, for example, yesterday, 3 minutes ago, for example, 3 days ago, something that shows the past, the time that passed away in the past, like that. So I was in Iran last year, whatever you want to say, last week, last month, last day, yesterday, 3 days ago, like that. Was in here. It shows the past. Or you can say he was in Iran, he was in Pakistan, he was in India, like this. Or she was in Japan, in China, like this, in class, in whom, like that. Or she was, I said, it was in Iran. It was in taxi, like that you can say. So this one is the positive sentence in here, which was positive sentence as I marked in here. If you want to change the positive sentence to the question, it's very easy, because just you bring the was at the beginning of the sentence, it will change by itself to the question form. Like this: was I in Iran last year, last month, last week, whatever you are relaxed with. So for he, was he in Iran last year? Was she in Iran last year? Was it in Iran last year? All of these are question forms. So if we want to change the positive sentence to the negative one, how it's possible? It's also very easy and simple. How? We just, after was, add a not. This one is very important here. So it change by itself from positive sentence to the negative one. Like this: I was not in Iran last year, last week, like that. So, or he was not in Iran last year, last week, or yesterday, 3 years ago, like that. She was not in Iran, or he was not in Iran. It was not in Japan, in India, for example, in Korea, in Europe, in America. For example, it was not in America last year, last week, last night, like this. So another example: negative, and also interrogative or question form. So let's move to the where and here. So it's also very simple. Just for we, you, they, we use where for the past sentences. So here is an example: we were in class yesterday. We were in class, for example, last day. We were in class 3 days ago, 4 days ago, 3 months ago, like this. It's very easy, I think. This one is also positive sentence. We can use the other subject pronoun as well, like you. You were in class yesterday. So they were in class yesterday. They were in America yesterday. They were in Afghanistan, for example, yesterday or last year or 3 years ago, like that. So as you see, this one is positive sentence. It's also possible to change this positive sentence to the negative and also to the question form. First, let's change this one to the question form. If we want to change to the question, it's very easy. Also, we just bring the where at the beginning of sentence, like this: were we in class yesterday? Yesterday. It also changed by itself to the question. So, were you in class yesterday? Were they in class yesterday, 3 months ago? For example, you can say last month, last week, last year, like that. Or you can say that were they in class yesterday? Instead of we just use you or they. For all of them, we can use what? Where. And the last one is about negative sentence. In negative sentences, also very easy to change from positive sentence to the negative one. We just add not after where and here, and it will change by itself to the negative one. We were not in class yesterday. You were not in class yesterday. Or they were not in class yesterday. It's very easy, I think, and very simple. Another example, if we mention we were in the United States 3 years ago, but now we aren't. We aren't in the United States. Now we are in Iran. Now we are in Pakistan, like this. So we were, for example, in Japan, for example, in China last year, like that. Or were we? Were we in the United States or America last week? Like this. We were not. We were not in the United States or America. I think it's enough for tonight. It's very simple and easy. And as I mentioned, it was just about to be where. To be where, not all of them, just was and were. As I mentioned, to be where are am, is, are, and also was and were. In the next videos, I will release new videos about to have verbs. We have and has. I'll explain there. And also about to do verb. What's the difference between do, does, and also did? Many people ask that, what is the difference between for example, do and does and did, and also between have or has, like that. I'll explain in the next videos one by one. If you like such videos, please subscribe, and also if you want to be the first person to watch my videos, please turn on the notification bell as well. So see you on the next videos. Bye bye.